Hey guys, thanks for watching Help Me DIY. My name is Aaron and I have another tool of the week for you. This little thing here is gonna save you a lot of time and effort. I just spent way too much money on these, but I think it's gonna be worth it. These are breather hose a release tool. So let me test it out for the first time. So you get 5 pieces that come in different sizes. Let me try to find the right size for the Porsche. All right, feels like it's gonna be the red one. So you slide it on here and it's tight. And then you just rotate it 180 degrees so that the pressure points are actually pushing on the little parts that you want to squeeze with your hands to release. All right, so sorry, I had to use 2 hands, but once I got this on the ridges, then I didn't have to actually apply any more pressure. I could use both hands, one hand on here, one hand on here, to start separating these guys. And it is now disconnected. So I can pop this thing back off. Oh, yes. So no more dreaded breather hose clips that I have to destroy my fingertips on. So yes, it actually works. Super excited about these. I couldn't find any on Amazon or any ones that looked as good as these. I'll put a link where I got them. It looked like it was gonna take a long time to get them, but it actually came in less than a week. So big shout out to these things. Yeah, okay, so this is a great example. Once it's out of the car, you can see what this ring is doing, exactly what it's supposed to. Compressing it so these little clips detach and you can pull it right out. So, oh God, love this tool. Oh, and I want to give a thankful shout out to Sam's 914 project on Instagram. He's the one that contacted me and brought this to my attention. He's not associated with them. He's just a fellow Porsche owner and reached out and told me about them. So thanks a lot. If this video is helpful to you and you think these things are going to be helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and check out all the other tools of the week. I've got the link to the playlist with all of them in the description of this video. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one.